many people believe, the more I talk, the smarter I appear. నేను ఎంత ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడితే జనాలకి అంత అంత మంచిగా ఉండిద్ది. ఓకే, నో, నో, రాంగ్ అప్రోచ్. ఇఫ్ ఐ కీప్ టెల్లింగ్ మై అచీవ్మెంట్స్, the people will admire me. If I'm telling my achievements, the people are going to admire me. Like a small kids, do you know? My kid is there, my elder kid is there. Baba, a person came, you didn't talk about myself. Relative came, my uncle came. Okay, you didn't talk about myself. Recently I achieved. Like he's always feeling, okay, if I'm telling my achievements, then the people are going to admire me. Like we are always going to think. I told right. I told right. The earthquake, lakhs of people died. When compared with that, their teeth pain is a bigger problem for them. Your achievements are not important for that person. His small achievement is the bigger thing for him. You are required to talk about his achievements, not our achievements. The people won't admire by seeing our achievements. Talk about their achievements. Legend their achievements. Appreciate them.